This is Scotty Too Hottie Karaoke King Bomb Maker. One extra one. Why is everybody backing up? You need to stand a lot farther away. That was 3. 5. Or 2 is full. Y'all sure y'all got it packed tight?
It's pretty.
It's pretty? Looks good.
I ain't gonna catch it going up in the air though. I can catch it. Get a little closer and you'll be able to get it.
Yeah, but you gotta get a little closer for your video.
Look at that one there. 7 pounds.
So Scotty, where are we hunting today? Where are we hunting today with our pipe bomb?
We're in Dallas, South Dakota.
Yeah. What are you hunting with that over there?
We're hunting old refrigerators today.
Oh, refrigerators today? All right.
Yeah, it'll go in a DVD player.
Yeah.
Here we are today, doing a little demolition. We got there, Ryan.
Got a
Ratchet strap.
yep. About a 1950s refrigerator. Two or one?
Yeah, put both on one.
We'll pay for them. We're good to go. We're gonna have about a 200-yard shot today.
Yep, there it is. We're hoping it goes somewhere that way.
We're hoping.
But we're not real sure on that.
We made our calculations earlier with our physicist. Where's the physicist?
Back over there yet.
All right, here's the trial run. Yeah. All right, here's for the big show.
Is everybody around? Everybody ready?
I don't think I want to stand next to the fuel tank.
Y'all ready?
We're ready. Now he's good.
Get ready, everybody. Get it. Get that motherfucker
Right in it?
right there.
Went all the way through. Holes are right there.
I don't know what the fucking shit's been hitting right where the fucking mark is.
Maybe go a little bit higher.
Or a little lower, maybe, huh?
Maybe. Oh, shit! Here's some stuff for the refrigerator.
That's the door.
That's the top door.
There's some over there. There's some. You would think it should be hot, but it's cold. Let's go over here.
Wow. All that equipment shit that was underneath there, where'd that go?
Hello?
Look at the insulation.
I'm wondering where they